If a woman greets you in a certain way, she might be hiding how badly she's into you. There's a brief moment where attraction leaks out before she pulls it back. That moment is the greeting. Miss it, and you may never realize what she actually wants. I'm going to break down 5 greeting behaviors that reveal it. The last one only shows up when attraction is strong and uncommon. If you're new here, welcome. We post daily dating advice for men. Tap like if you're serious about improving. Subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss the next one. Number 1. She greets you like she's guarding something. Most greetings are obvious. Big smile, clear voice, no hesitation. But when she's attracted, her greeting gets smaller, more controlled, almost private. It's quick and soft and right after she checks the room with her eyes. That's not nervous energy, that's awareness. She doesn't want attention on that moment because how she feels about you isn't meant to be shared. If she's open with everyone else but reserved with you, that's not distance, that's restraint. Number 2. There's a pause before the hello. With people she feels neutral about, greetings are automatic. No delay, no thought. With attraction, there's a beat, a tiny freeze. Her mind steps in before her mouth does, trying to regulate her reaction. Does she sound too excited? Does she look too happy? That micro pause matters. If her hello feels slightly late, she's managing something she didn't expect to feel. Number 4. She opens with a question. A basic "hey" is neutral. It ends quickly. A question keeps things alive. So instead you hear, "Oh, you're here already," or "What are you doing today?" She's building a reason for interaction without admitting she wants one. On the surface, it's casual. Underneath, it's connection-seeking. Her tone says small talk. Her intent says stay. Number 4. She moves closer, then corrects herself. Pay attention to movement. She leans in while greeting you, then suddenly creates space again. That's instinct, followed by logic. Her body reacts before her brain shuts it down. It's almost like she wanted closeness without commitment, and the retreat is her safety switch. That push and pull isn't random, it's attraction hitting resistance. Number 5. She skips the greeting and goes personal. No hello, no warm-up. She jumps straight into something specific, something you mentioned before. Did that thing ever work out, or I was thinking about what you said? That's not politeness, that's familiarity. She's been running a quiet conversation with you in her head, even when you weren't there. By skipping formalities, she places you closer than most people ever get. Not just in conversation, but in her attention, and that's the tell.